Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. Want to take the next probably 4 market minutes and talk about in detail your estate documents, your will, power of attorney, living will, and trust, why they're important. And we just seen, we're not attorneys, we can't give legal advice, but we are fiduciaries, and we need to tell you about the train wreck problems that have affected families who haven't put these documents together or haven't done them right. So the people who don't have their documents, they die intestate, and the state decides who gets what. You don't want that. So let's just start there. So on the will, the most important part of the will is knowing that ideally it's not the distribution document. The trust is. Don't list who gets what in your will because of a very important section called the pour over provision. If you have, let's say, myself and Diane, I do not say let me take a step back. There's 3 parts to your estate. There's your retirement accounts, your IRAs, 401ks, Roth, SEP IRAs. Those have specific beneficiary designations. They're not part of your will or trust. Then you have your trust where you list your real estate and your high-priced, high-value, anything that's valued over, say, $30,000 should be in your trust, but not your cars because those are a pain in the rear. You have to take them out of the trust to sell them. So don't put your cars in your trust. Have them be part of your pour-over provision. Then you have your, quote, everything else. It's called your residuary estate. Your residuary estate is governed by your will. In your will, I do not want to say, I, Brian Decker, give my beloved wife, Diane, my residuary estate. Now, if I do that, there's going to be probate issues. You don't want probate. So you want to put in your pour over provision, which means that I, Brian Decker, bequeath my residuary estate not to my wife, Diane, but to the Brian J. Decker and Diane C. Decker Revocable Family Living Trust. Now it pours into the trust, and any exposure that I have to probate is either entirely gone or hugely minimized. That's what we want to accomplish with the will.